everyone. Together, make room for all of you. I will need as much help as I can get. Wonderful. Let's see, how much did Hagrid send me? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Okay, perfect. 582 of you. Now everyone, raise your wands high so I can see who my spellcasters are. Lovely. Wait a minute. You can cast spells without a wand. You must be very magical indeed. Very powerful. I have a perfect group. You see, I am in desperate need of your help. We have lost our Hippogriff, Fleetwing. We startled her and she flew into the forest. I was deciding on a direction. It was dark when I found this. Her feather. It is still warm. I know it's hers, and I know she's here. But I hope she's safe. Would you help me? Yeah. Perfect. Before we can get started, though, you must cast the Lumos spell. I will teach it to you once, and you will only need this instruction. For you must be prepared. It is a gentle spell. A simple flick of the wrist. Do we have it? Yes. Perfect. Now, I must understand how many Gryffindors are here. Perfect. You are in the front. Your bravery is needed. Hufflepuffs, keep the group together. We are relying on you. You're the glue that keeps us all alive. Ravenclaws, if you see something I do not, use your studies to inform everyone how to stay safe. That is why you studied, isn't it? Slytherins? We're all amazing all the time. We are leaders. Be brave, be bold, and if anybody gets lost, we will come back for them, or send someone. Now, if you get lost in the woods, I may not be able to find you, so please stay close. There are acromantula, do not get grabbed. If they grab you, they will not set you free. You are dinner. Do you understand? Now, together with me, we shall cast Lumos and light the path. 1, 2, 3. Lumos! You are powerful indeed. Remember, danger lies before you, while safety lies behind. So stay close and don't get lost. Everyone, together! Make a group. We shall need to make a perimeter around them. Stay close. Do not let them escape. They will grab anything not nailed down. Cornish pixies. Devilishly tricky little blighters. They will grab everything. You there! Right! They have disturbed the monster book of monsters. But all right, no biting. I said no biting. No biting! You see, my hands are a little bit full. Will you help me? Would you please all raise your wands high? And come closer, group. Come closer. We will cast the immobilist charm on 3. Ready? Aim at the pixie with your wands or your hands. 1, 2, 3. Immobilist! Marvelous, you are very powerful indeed. Okay, calm down, it's all right. Now, you there. Lovely. I will inform Filch of this mess. Calm, sleep. Yes. Now everyone, quickly, do not wake the book with me.
She's trying to avoid any sticky situations.
It's all right, acromantula are not all bad. No matter how large they may be. But, you know, I heard acromantula. Actually, they like... What are you looking... I mean, yes, of course. I had that completely under control. Shall we continue? Quickly. Now, everyone, it is very, 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 very important that you step where I step. We do not want to disturb them. And now I will teach you a technique employed by famed masozoologist Newt Scamander. Now, everyone, like this. It's all in the swivel. I'm not seeing swivels. It's all in the swivel. Would you like to be a snack? I'm saying you're going to get eaten. They will eat you. It's going to be terrifying. All right. All of you, come closer to me, please. I must not lose any of you or Hagrid will have my head. Everyone, have you seen that tree before? We did not see that tree before. Did we see this tree before? Wait, what is that? Lower your wands. form. Act natural. Everyone, act natural. Immediately. Greetings! I am a professor of Hogwarts.
Visitors are not welcome here, especially those that cast such loud spells.
We are in search of a lost hippogriff named Fleetwing. Have you seen her?
The stars speak, but I do not trust your kind.
Perhaps that's right. That is Fleetwing. Please, she needs us.
Very well. Finish, then leave.
You have my word. Now everyone, to pay respect, bow to the centaur. Yes, thank you so much. You have my word. Thank you. Keep bowing to the centaur. We do not stop bowing to the centaur. Thank you. He's almost gone. Hyland, I need as much help as I can get. I'm drawing a blank. Can you move right this way to this point, please? Let me see. What kind of plant could it be? Mandrake? No. Maybe. No, it's not Mandragora. That would scream, wouldn't it? Do you know what kind of plant it would be? No? We need to get you back to your studies. You don't either! Are you playing hooky? I will not tell Snape, I promise. Do you know it? What? Wait, what? Are you sure?
No.
You're not sure?
Not a Gryffindor.
Gryffindors are brave. No, Ravenclaw. We need to get to your studies, darling. You're brave, though. I believe you. Now, wait a minute, though. 10 points to your house. You were correct. Devil's Snare. I knew the whole time. What is that poem? Devil's Snare. Do you know it? Devil's Snare. Deadly fun, but it sulks in the sun. That's right. We must cast the Lumos Salem spell, the sunlight charm. In the back, raise your wands. We will need as much light as possible. We will cast Lumos Salem on 3, and we will make this room bright as possible to scare it off. Ready? Steel yourselves. Remember your training. You have been through enough. You have survived all these creatures, and we did not lose the smallest of our party. Which means we are doing a good job. On 3, 1, 2, 3, Lumos Salem! Your walls need to stay prepared. We do not know what dangers lie on the other side. Everyone, please, make room. Pile into the side, please, make room. We need to make a perimeter. Remember, just like before, we must aim to make it as bright as possible. This way. Beautiful. What can we do? We can't be no good. Please, we have got an idea. We shall cast Lumos Salem on 3. But please, steel yourselves. 1. We can do this. 2. 3. Lumos Salem! Well done! I saw your technique. Flawless. Wait! We must all greet her properly. Everyone! We must bow. Wonderful. Now, my darling, you must head back to your paddock, and I will escort the group back to Hogwarts. Marvelous job, everyone! I'm awarding every house 50 points! With me!
Go ahead.
The intelligence of a Ravenclaw, the tenacity of a Hufflepuff, and the leadership of a Slytherin. You will always find your way through the darkness. Farewell!